Meanwhile, Gordon screeched along the line. The noise was awful. At the station, everyone held their ears. The fat controller held his ears too. "Take him away," he bellowed, "and stop that noise!" Gordon puffed sadly away, but he wouldn't stop whistling until two fitters climbed up and knocked his whistle valve in place. That night, Gordon slunk into the shed. He was glad it was empty. "It isn't wrong," murmured Henry to no one in particular, "but we just don't do it." No one mentioned whistles. Next morning, Henry was enjoying himself enormously. "I feel so well, I feel so well," he sang. Trickety-trot, hummed his coaches. Then he saw some boys on a bridge. "Peep, peep, hello," he whistled. "Oh!" he called. The boys didn't wave and take his number. They thought it fun to drop stones on him instead. "They've broken our glass! They've broken our glass!" sobbed the coaches. The passengers weren't hurt, but they were cross. "Call the police!" "No," said the driver. "Leave it to Henry and me." "What will you do?" they asked. "Can you keep..."